Meaning of eventual.
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 Eventual. The word eventual means something that will happen or come to pass at some point in time in the future, but not immediately. It refers to a final or ultimate outcome that may take a long time to achieve, but is inevitable or expected. For example, if someone is studying hard for a difficult exam, they may hope to eventually pass it and receive good grades. The end result of their efforts may be uncertain or far away, but they are working towards achieving it. Overall, eventual describes a future outcome that will likely require patience and perseverance to reach.